margin call is a red flag warning that the available capital in the trading account is less than the minimum amount required to maintain the open positions. This minimum amount required is a fixed percentage determined by the broker. Many brokers consider a margin call when the margin level drops below 100%. In this case, the trader has two options: deposit more money in their trading account or close losing trades to free up margin. In the example below, the margin call is determined by the broker at 100%. Say the balance is $8,000, floating loss is $3,500, and margin used in open positions is $4,000. Remember that the margin level is the ratio of the equity to the margin used times 100. $4,500 divided by 4,000 times 100 is equal to 1.125 times 100. The margin level is at 112.5%. So when the margin level drops below the 100% level, a margin call will be triggered and the broker will automatically send an email to the trader alerting them to take the appropriate actions. As the margin level is in the red zone and approaching the stop-out level, it is deemed necessary to either deposit more money or close losing positions to free up margin. Watch the margin level closely.